Good morning. If I look tired and a mess, it's because I am tired and a mess. I've just finished the last bits of kind of cleaning and packing, and I tell you what, this has got to have been the move from hell for me, because I totally underestimated how much stuff I had to move, and I am exhausted. I am so tired. Never again am I doing this kind of move on my own. It's just absolutely ridiculous. I am so tired. Anyway, before I go, I wanted to just show you quickly the apartment in London that we've been in. Obviously, it's going to look completely different to how it did when we had all our stuff here. So it's completely empty-ish. So yes, I just wanted to give you a quick little tour of the flat. As I come in, hello me. So we have this big mirror here in the hallway, and we've got marble tiling here in the hallway, and I'll start this way. We've got downstairs toilet there, and if I swing around this way, there's still some bits there to move, but we've got understairs storage there. And then this is the kitchen. So a good sized kitchen, very functional. And this is the balcony at the back. So yeah, I'm leaving some of the flowers. I did cut down that bamboo tree because it was like higher than the flowers at top there, and obviously I'm not going to get that in my car on the next trip, so I'm going to take that and just take a couple of these little ones here. But that was such a nice little area at the back there. And so this is the other side of the kitchen, and the lady, bless her, has bought every single piece of my furniture. Absolutely amazing. So that saved me a job. So she's keeping dining table and chairs. This is a butcher's block that I'm actually going to be taking, and we carry on through into the living room. And the best part of this whole flat is this view. I am so gonna miss this view. I cannot even begin to tell you. But anyway, let me quickly show you around. So obviously it's very empty, very bare. The ladies bought the sofas and everything, so they're all staying. We've got this big mirror here, which I used to hate actually, but you know what? When you sit on the other side on those sofas there, it's actually quite a blessing because you get to see the view in the reflection, so not so bad. We had some IKEA storage here. And the softest carpet in the world. But this was my balcony. So this is where we used to sit out and have breakfast. And they had these gorgeous shutters. Absolutely love these. So they had these gorgeous shutters, and they really needed them as well because, oh my gosh, the draft that can come through these old doors, it makes it so cold in the winter time. So you really do need those. So this was my absolute favorite room. So this was my view, and just glorious. Absolutely stunning. So anyway, so one of the beauties, I think, again, of this house is that there are stairs. So in London, that's very rare to have a flat with stairs. So it actually felt like a house to me because I would go upstairs. And so bedroom number 2 in here, she's buying all this furniture. So this is all staying. So that was bedroom number 2, and you'd have all these wardrobes here. Carry on through to bathrooms, bit dated, but did the job. Carry on through to the smallest bedroom with a sofa bed, and then this is where I would work, and more IKEA storage. This was my desk, and again, glorious view. Love it. And then the main bedroom, which is here, and again the big windows with the beautiful view, and this furniture which is all staying. Again, more built-in wardrobes, and an ensuite. That is pretty much it. And oh, I love the old cornicing and coving at the top there. The features of these houses are lovely, so I love that. And that is it. That is the flat in London, and it's been an absolute blessing to be here. I've thoroughly enjoyed it, I really have. It's such a nice area, lovely place. And that view, I just have to see that view one more time. What am I gonna do? Even though the place that we're going to has a nice view too, more countryside, and you have deers running around and there's animals everywhere. So very different to this one, but yeah, that was my view. So that is it for my little mini tour of the flat in London. Like I say, I'm so sad to be leaving. It's such a nice place and the view is stunning, but you know what, I love the area. I'm moving away because I really need to complete my project of the women's home and getting that done, and getting the refurbishment done in there so that the women can come and have somewhere to stay. So that's the reason why I'm leaving London, really. I don't want to, but at least I found a lovely area where I'd love to come back to. And yeah, hopefully I'll be back again soon. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think of the house and the flat. I keep calling it a house, but I know in London it's a flat, really. So yeah, let me know what you think, and I shall see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.